CSL, Cuthbert Stewart, is a family business. We've been around for 70 years, and the name Cuthbert Stewart derives from the founder, Mr. Cuthbert Stewart, and it's still a family business today. And some of his early, founding principles of the business was quality and trust and relationships, and we stand true to those. I guess our biggest problem with our sales organisation was two really, recruiting the right people and then ensuring we're focusing on the right things. So we've got quite a diverse business portfolio, you could say. Lots of different products, lots of different industry verticals, and you need to have the right focus to make sure that we're getting the growth. Otherwise you can have a lot of busy salespeople but not really focusing on the growth engine. I guess, yeah, some of our interactions and experiences during the foundation workshop was, it came across to us that it wasn't just a formula. We've done a lot of training before, but this one had a way where it just connected with our guys, with our team, and I guess some of the exercises and some of the focus that we had during that workshop really honed in on some of the things that are an issue to us. And the facilitator, Macca, was outstanding, at just connecting with our guys. Before, you might argue that there was the wrong focus, or focusing on the wrong activities. And now there's a structure and it's helping those people. So there's individuals you can see that are really thriving from being involved in the program. We're a little bit early stages, but we've done quite a number of the modules now, and I find it really easy to deliver. It gives you everything you need in terms of your preparation, and it steps through a step-by-step guide on how to deliver the coaching session. And I guess I really like the fact that it also sets out the actions for the coming week, and then at the very next session you're reviewing what those actions were and the outcomes. The team are turning up at each session fully engaged, always on time, which is a good sign. And I think they've always got their preparation done, and you can see how they're actively taking the learning and applying it to their day-to-day sales activity. So it's been a real pleasure actually to see some of them how they've shifted their focus and how they've put into practice those learnings, and I think the longer term outcomes are looking really positive. We're getting better outcomes in our sales management. We're starting to, in our sales meetings, we're getting, there's more talk of the right things and the activity that we'd like to hear about, rather than what it perhaps once was, which was a little bit more of just a call report, who I went to see, perhaps any issue that they had. It's now become a focus on what they're doing associated with the program to get that growth. So we're seeing pleasing results so far. Would I recommend SalesStar to others? Yeah, absolutely I would. Yeah, I think it's probably the only sales training that I have been involved in where I've thought I could see measurable outcomes pretty quickly, and it's easy to deliver. It requires very little amount of preparation on behalf of the sales manager, so he can focus on really delivering the coaching. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it, and certainly the facilitator we had, I would definitely recommend him as well. He did a great job in that 2-day foundation workshop.